Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon Marie, and this channel is dedicated to helping provide you the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to start incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And today I'll be doing a Reiki transmission for you with the energy of Tiger's Eye to help increase confidence. Tiger's Eye helps you feel a deeply grounded, humble confidence, self-assurance without excessive ego. It helps you have faith in your abilities and your ability to achieve your goals and to send that energy out to the universe to support you whenever you need it. This is a very short Reiki transmission that you can sit with whenever you're feeling like you need a little boost of energy, a little boost of confidence. If you do have a piece of Tiger's Eye, then it's a good time to go get that and hold that in your non-dominant hand during this Reiki transmission. And this is your receiving hand. It will help you receive the energies of this gemstone. But no, you do not have to have this gemstone for this Reiki transmission, because I will be sending out the energy of the Tiger's Eye through this Reiki connection to help you receive the energy that you need. So if you are ready, then let's begin. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And say to yourself, I am ready to receive this Reiki transmission. Tiger's Eye helps you acknowledge your strengths and have faith in your abilities. As you breathe, know that you are capable of achieving your goals. Bring to mind a situation in which you'd like more confidence. And open up to the knowledge that you are a worthy and marvelous human being. You have wonderful personality traits, interests, and skills. You bring unique brilliance to this world and to the people who know you. Let this knowledge seep in. And imagine yourself feeling strong, capable, and confident in whatever situation that you've brought to mind. yourself to absorb this energy. It fills you completely, every cell, and it amplifies the shine of your energy. Feel yourself ready to step into this situation with assurance and curiosity. Know that you can feel stable and secure in whatever situation that you are concerned about right now. And then come back to your breathing, to the feel of your body in this present moment. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Breathe and allow the Reiki energy, the tiger's eye energy, to absorb into your system. And whenever you do feel like you need an enhancement of your confidence, if you're stepping into a situation you're unsure about, then sit with the tiger's eye, do this quick Reiki transmission, and you can bring the tiger's eye with you to that situation to remind you of your strength, your confidence, and your ability to achieve your goals. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again during the next video.